just saw an old guy peeing.
Where?
Right over there.
Well, yes, Sissy, that's the bathroom.
Yeah, Brandon, I know, but he was peeing outside the bathroom, not inside. And I saw his, you know.
What did it look like?
Ew, Brandon! I didn't, look at it!
You said you saw it.
Ew, that's, totally gross! Ugh.
You're just asking.
It's not what you said. It's what you were thinking. Gross. Totally. What's up with the pigeons, anyway?
These aren't pigeons, Sissy. They're seagulls.
It's the same thing.
Oh.
They're, always here.
So?
So, is this, their job?
Maybe.
You know how, you go to Fooshburger's Poison Crab Stand every day, and I go to Mr. Beekman's Retarded Hardware store, and then we go home and do other stuff. So is this, their job, or is this, their other stuff?
I don't know.
Do you think they drive cabs during the night and come here during the day?
Well, I doubt they're cab drivers, Sissy. I mean, they're way too short to be able to even reach the pedals.
He's coming.
What? Who?
The pea guy. Shut
Do we have to...
up, Brandon.
Yeah, on your way home, you know. Where they take them?
Who?
The birds. They're secret agents trained by the government. They have super power. They use them in the war.
What war?
All of them.
I can't believe you talked to him.
Why?
He's the pea man, Brandon.
So?
So? He's crazy. He could be dangerous.
How could he be dangerous? He's 200 years old.
Well, for one thing, he knows a lot of mysterious things about birds.
Yeah, right, Sissy. I doubt that birds are secret agents.
Oh, yes, they are. Look at that one right there. The fat one. It's giving me the evil eye. Is this space control? Contacting agent double X7. HELLO double X7. Space control.
What are you doing?
Trying to see if he's a secret agent.
Well, that's not gonna work.
Why not?
Well, first of all, it's 007, not double X7.
What, are you some genius about bird secret agentry or something?
No, but I know that secret agents are 007, not double X7, and secret agents aren't in space.
Yes, they are.
No, they aren't, Sissy.
Ever heard of Star Wars?
Yeah?
Well, the P guy said they were in all the wars. Star Wars, that's a war in space.
No, Star Wars is a movie.
Yeah. That's how we know about it, duh, Brandon. How else would we find out about things that are in out of space?
Movies aren't real, Sissy.
What do you mean movies aren't real?
I mean, have you ever seen a Transformer? No. Have you ever seen superheroes? No. Have you ever seen a flying saucer? No. It's because they're just in movies. They're not real.
Well, what about the Penguin movie?
Well, yeah, that one might be real.
See, you don't see any penguins anywhere.
No, but they live in ice caves.
Yeah, which are like secret hideouts. Penguins are probably secret agents too.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
Hey, what are you doing? I'm eating that.
Oh, sorry, Brandon. I couldn't help it. They're controlling my mind.
Stop. Leave her alone. Leave her alone.
Dum dum da dum dum da dum dum da dum. dum 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 dum